Yep, so we at part 3 of the Ebike build. And we're gonna start off with the forks. Fat tire specific. Nice fork, rides good. Decided to put some marine grease on it. Keep everything running smooth. Because if it ain't running smooth, it just ain't running. I don't know. Anyway. And now we got it mounted. The fork is mounted to the frame, looking good. Yep. Wasn't bad at all. So, look like we're making some progress. So after that, I decided to take the controller off the green bike, move it to the black bike, use a couple of washers to mount it, make sure it's nice and flush. I already test roaded it. The controller is very stable, no issues whatsoever. Looks good on there. Yep, so now we're gonna start building this wheel because we need the wheels to be built so we can ride this sucker. Yep, throw the seat posts on there. Motor seat don't fit, but it's all good. I'm too tall for it anyway, so it's gonna get sold. And got the spokes for the QS motor, which is scratched up. That's all good. Spokes, once again, scratched up. QS motor. But I ain't scratching this rim. As you can see, I put the masking tape on there so it can prevent me from making a mistake and scratching this beautiful rim here that you see before you. So during this process, I realized that the nipples don't fit in the holes because this rim wasn't really meant for a 10 gauge spoke. So I had to take the drill and actually drill the holes a little larger so the nipples could fit through. And not only that, I had to drill them on an angle so that's what I did. Yeah, so I decided to pull out the DeWalt and set it up so I could do some drilling, because other than that, there wouldn't have been no spokes, no motor, nothing. It just would have been sitting there on a stand with nothing better to do. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go drill this sucker. So that's what I did. And the drilling I did. I didn't want to put much pressure, but I put just enough so the sucker could go through. And I did that 36 times. Yep. Well, I did it. Got the spokes in there. Got the motor spoked into the rim. Looking good. And I touched up them scratches because I don't like to see scratches unless I make them. Anyway. Stressing out the spokes so I could tighten them up when they chew the wheel so I can get this sucker on the road. And I finally got the wheel done. Looking nice. Nice and centered. Yeah. That's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it. And now we do the front rim. Yep, that's the front rim with the hub. Looking bling, 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 bling. Yeah, I like it. It looks nice. It came out really nice. Really, really nice. Yep. This rim, I don't have to drill anything, so that was good. So I decided to mount the tire, which I had for 2 years in storage, and it actually looks good. The next video will be the review of the completed bike. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be nice. Outside shots. Yep. So at this point, I decided to mount the front tire, threw the mask on, aka the headlight, front mud guard, but trust me, it didn't stay. And I mounted the rear mud guard, which I kept that one. And at this point, I proceeded to true the back wheel because I had just finished spoking it. So I had to true it up so I can get the rest of it going. Got my old motorcycle stand there. But I'm glad I kept it because I can use it. You know, I used it for the green bike and also because I got a 175 millimeter drop out on my rear swing arm. I can use it for this as well. So I lucked out with that. Yep. Yeah, I also got lucky too because I realized, the spacing that I had in between the free wheel and the motor and the swing arm. I got everything to fit nice. Only thing I probably would have did different if I had longer axles because it is considered a wheelie bike. But, whatever. I sit down on the seat, do my wheelies. It's all good. But, yeah, this was a nice project. I had fun doing it. And can't wait to version 4.